Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. So guys, I'm so excited to announce that we are finally going to learn Next.js 14 in this channel. I will bring Next.js 14 tutorial from tomorrow. It will be a 19 days plan from official Next.js 14 documentation. We will explore all the essential skills and knowledge to make us a perfect developer in Next.js. So what we are going to build? We are going to build this amazing dashboard page with home, invoices, customers, routing, and we are gonna see some SQL command and learn about how to fetch data with it in Next.js. Yeah, I know there have been some debate about Next.js 14 SQL, but believe me, this is one of the best framework I have ever seen. Next.js 14 just is awesome, makes our work very efficient and easy. We are gonna build a public home page, a login page, and dashboard page that are protected by authentication. Yeah, we are also going to implement authentication with login. We should add the user to add, edit, and delete invoices. So here is the overview part. You will learn styling with CSS, optimization, images, links, fonts, routing, nested routing. How can you create nested routing like slash dashboard slash home or slash dashboard slash about or slash dashboard slash store, something like that. Data fetching, yeah, data fetching is one of the essential things. Search and pagination, believe me guys, pagination is one of the great tools that you can implement in websites to make your websites look like fire. And we're also gonna see how we can handle errors. 404 not found errors page. We're also gonna validate form and accessibility, authentication, metadata. Yeah, you have also seen guys, if you want to add your website on social media platform, it will automatically show a card with title and the font icon images. Yeah, the prerequisite knowledge, you must have some React fundamentals knowledge, cause you must know components, what is props, state, hooks, and newer features like server component and suspense. Alright, if you don't know this, don't worry, you can always follow this tutorial because I will share everything about React and Next.js. Yeah, I will gonna make you understand React too whenever it is such case. The system requirement will be Node.js 18 or later installed. So make sure your system have Node.js 18. Yeah, okay. Your system should be Mac OS, Windows, Linux. Yeah, I know everyone use somewhat Mac OS, Windows or Linux. And in addition, you will need a GitHub account and a Vercel account. Okay, I will make you understand how to create a GitHub and Vercel account, so never worry. Okay, join this adventure of learning Next.js 14 and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel so that you can never miss any update from this channel.